Okay, we are going to make a blender now. You'll often hear them called frappuccinos. It essentially is just a blended coffee or drink of your choice. You really can blend just about anything, but for learning purposes, we're going to blend a frappuccino, just milk flavor, and espresso if you choose. So order of operations, you are going to want a blender. And you will start with your flavor. We're making a 16 ounce, so we're going to do 2 ounces. Straight into the bottom. If you were going to add espresso into your blender, you would now pour your espresso shots in before the ice, and then you are going to add the ice into the blender. We use about a 16 ounce cup of ice. And then take your milk. You usually have about 5 ounces of milk in there. If you want to see, you want to have your liquid filled to the 16 ounce. You don't want it to be any higher than that because that's how much you are making. And any more, if it's filled any higher than that, you're going to have too much liquid, more than you need. All right. We also have a blend base, so this is what's going to make it nice and creamy and not icy and chunky. So we take 1.5 scoops, and then we are going to stick it onto our blender base. Turn it on. We use our 4th setting. Let it blend. Several moments later, should come out in a nice thick texture, but you should still be able to pour it in the cup. Add whipped cream if you like.